Molar City. This place was a crown jewel for dentistry. And it was all thanks to old Sam, that barber dentist fella. People came from all over the world just so he could yank out their toothaches.
Well, don't be screaming too loud. Here it comes.
Not that I cared much. I had my own set of problems.
Take a swig, you're okay.
Toothless and mean as a rattlesnake I was. Sam, though, well, he wasn't just about fixing aches. That man restored smiles. Been making teeth since he was a young'un, and if you needed teeth, you had to go to him.
Gotta get these pearlies here ready for Sheriff Butch.
That's me, Sheriff Butch.
Molar City. How I love and hate this town. Out of my way, Jimmy. Clay! I told you a million times, when I get to those saloon doors, you have my drink already poured.
Apologies, Sheriff. I ain't see you coming in.
Well, you ain't seen a lot of things in this city, have you, Clay? Speaking of seeing, you seen Cassidy? I know he left town. Went to Old Town, I believe, about a week ago.
Sir, I have not. Last I heard, Cassidy ran into some trouble, and he needed lots of money.
Oh, poor gambler. That's what he is. If I see him around these parts, he's going to be laying in the pit with some snakes. Now, have you heard from old Sam?
Is that my sheriff?
Is that my sweet cakes? Give me that hand, honey. Oh, kiss that thing.
Oh, I missed you so much.
Oh, and I feel missed.
Oh, I heard Sam is working on some new pearlies for you.
Yes, he is. You know, I was here 2 weeks ago. He still ain't got those things ready.
I'll go check on old Sam for you. I'll be right back.
All right. You tell him if those teeth aren't ready, he better start saying his prayers.
Hey, yo, Sam.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you've seen the sheriff's in town.
Is he?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm just finishing up on his new pearly dentures. I'll be done in a jiff.
You know how he gets. It's all antsy.
Well, you're welcome to tell him that haste makes waste.
How long you thinking?
I'd say 5 or 10.
Well, not gonna like it.
Hello, boys. Did you miss me?
Cassidy, what are you doing here? Do you know if the sheriff finds out here what he's gonna do to you?
That scumbag sheriff that's been ripping everybody off for his own personal gain? I ain't worried about him. Sam, you're coming with me.
No, sir.
There's a new city called in office, and the people there got lots and lots of money. And me and you, we gonna be partners. We gonna be rich. Let me rephrase that. I'm gonna be richer.
Now, hold on a second. Like I said, this is my damn town, and I ain't going nowhere.
I've established a new barber shop, and they ain't got a lab tech as good as you. And I just need you to run the joint and teach the youngins your craft.
Hey, you hold on a minute. You're just trying to use Sam here for his knowledge. Again.
No shit, Sherlock.
Now, hold on a second. Like I just said, this is my damn town, and this is where I lay my head down. I ain't going nowhere.
You know I got a gun, right?
That don't scare me.
It should. What in the Wild West?
Let's go, partner.
I ain't
Let's
going
go.
nowhere.
Hey, you can't do that.
Hey,
Sam! You can't do that.
Let's go, partner.
I ain't never gonna eat good again. I feel like my only hope's been wrong.
Oh, don't say that. I'm sure a new barber will come into town one day. Or you can always go to the new city in office.
Oh, I ain't never going to that town. You okay?
What happened?
What in tarnation is that? I thought I said stay out of my way, Timmy. What in the wild, wild west is that?
Oh my!
I'm back, baby! Let's go, Sam!
I want to change people's lives. This is my calling. This is what I'm destined for. Continue what old Sam started in this town. This place is in desperate need of a new dental technician. This is my calling. I want to be the best dental lab around here. No!
I got to have that.
This is it. We're old Sam wanted. Flight Tech Laboratories is open for business, Molar City. Woo-hoo!
Well, life changed after that. Old Clay stepped up, took over Sam's place when he was gone.
Wait, Thomas? Thank you, sir. Good day, all right? Woo-hoo! My alien HT zirconia. Woo! And my crown. And they're lightning fast.
Jezebel, my sweet Jezebel. Well, she became my deputy and stood right by my side. Heck, we even got hitched.
Go on, keep walking.
And as for Cassidy,
Get in there.
his luck ran out. This town, well, it kept on smiling, and so did I. Molar City may have been built on dentistry, but in the end, it was a new set of teeth that gave me and this whole town a second chance. And I reckon we'll keep on smiling for a long time to come. The end.
Don't you feel it in your bones? to show.